right, y'all, we are gonna do our first lab with forces. So we should be on number 5. This is what your table of contents should look like. For your homework tonight, I would like you to set up your lab notebook. So the purpose of this lab, we're gonna solve for the mu, the static mu, because we have this object is going to be at rest on my inclined plane, like I showed you guys in class. So copy down your purpose, your skills. This is what your diagram is going to look like. Not so much equipment with this. We got an inclined plane. We're going to use a protractor to give me my angle in here. If you want to add a scale on there to get your mass, but you'll see that it ends up canceling out. All right, so we're going to measure our angle with our protractor, and that's it. That's the only measurement we're going to collect. Procedure, we are going to use a dynamic track. Okay, and I forgot, I have a few things we can use as inclines in here, but since I put dynamic track in when I did pre-planning, I will use the dynamic track to make a video for this lab. So we're gonna slowly lift one side of the dynamic track up until the block starts to move. We're gonna repeat 3 times. So we've got our angle, right? It should be a similar each time, right? And then we're gonna take the average of our angle, and then we're gonna use that to do our calculations. So this is what your free body diagram should look like. Your frictional force, because you're at rest, it's a static frictional force. Force normal, perpendicular to your surface. Gravitational force, always pointing down. And no external forces on this diagram. I would like for you to sum your forces in the parallel to the plane and sum your forces perpendicular to the plane. And then we will end up doing some substitutions and solving for mu. This is one of the free body diagrams that we drew in class. Right, when we've got this guy, friction preventing slipping, so we can use this. We will do this one in class tomorrow, so you should use this as an example for how to set up your equations for your lab tonight. So here's this. Give me your equations, set up the rest of your lab. I'll get you the angles tomorrow in class, and we can finish this lab up.